ChatGPT 5 is finally here, and it's a game changer. OpenAI says this is their smartest, fastest AI yet, packed with a brand new features you have never seen before. In this video, we will explore exactly what's new, test its capabilities, and show you how you can start using GPT-5 right away. So, without wasting time, let's jump in. Accessing GPT-5 is simple, and yes, it's completely free. Just go to chatgpt.com and sign in. By default, you will be using GPT-5. If you are on free plan, you can send around 30 messages a day before it switches you over to GPT-5 mini, so you can keep chatting without interruption. On your mobile phone, just update or install the latest ChatGPT app, open a new chat, and you are already on GPT-5. No setting to tweak, no extra steps. It just works. If you are on a paid version, you will notice something extra in GPT-5 menu. The ChatGPT-5 thinking model. This version is designed for deeper, more detailed reasoning. So let's start testing. Let's see if ChatGPT-5 can build something fun for my channel. A simple space shooter game, but with a twist. Instead of spaceships, I want the player to control a coffee cup firing espresso shots as a floating cross distance. I will also upload my channel logo to it so it can match the colors and style. ChatGPT 5 generated the full game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It still pulled the exact brand colors and applied them to design. And there it is. A coffee cup zipping across the screen, blasting cross distance out of the sky. Controls are clearly listed, so I can jump right in. And honestly, seeing GPT-5 pull this off in seconds is pretty incredible. GPT-5 isn't the only update rolling out today. ChatGPT itself is getting some powerful new features. You can now link it directly to your Gmail or OneDrive or the calendar. Just click your profile, head to settings, then connectors, and you will see both options there. Once connected, you can do things like ask ChatGPT to summarize your latest unread emails, find 2 hour windows for the meeting next week, or even draft a reply to specific email, all without leaving the chat. It's starting with Pro user with wider access coming soon. Another new feature, you can now personalize ChatGPT's personality and even pick a custom chat color, making it feel more like your own assistant. This option wasn't live yet during my testing, but it's on the way. Perfect. Another big update. Voice mode has been upgraded to advanced voice mode. Just click the voice icon in the chat and you can have a natural back and forth conversation with ChatGPT 5. For example, I asked it to help me plan a weekend trip to the mountain. Hey ChatGPT, how are you?
Hey there, I'm doing great and ready to help. Whenever you're ready to dive into the next part of your video or anything else, just let me know.
Okay, can you plan a weekend mountain trip for me?
Absolutely. Let's plan a nice little mountain getaway. So picture this, you head out to a cozy mountain spot, maybe somewhere with some great hiking trails and stunning views. I'd suggest packing layers, checking the local weather, and maybe bringing along a playlist for the drive. We can pick a specific location if you have one in mind, or I can suggest a popular mountain area. Let me know.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, let's pick a nice mountain spot. How about a weekend trip to the Smoky Mountains? It's a classic choice with plenty of beautiful trails, stunning views, and cozy cabins. You could spend your days hiking places like Klingman's Dome or just enjoying the scenery. Pack some warm layers, maybe a good book for the evenings, and you're set for a relaxing and refreshing weekend. Let me know if that sounds good or if you want any other details.
Yeah, that's fine. We can proceed with this.
Great. So with the Smoky Mountains it is, you'll have a wonderful weekend out there. You can just head out, enjoy those trails and the fresh mountain air, and just relax. If you need any other tips along the way, feel free to ask. Have a fantastic trip.
No, that's it. Thank you. The next important update is study mode. A step-by-step tutor inside ChatGPT. In chat, click the plus icon, go to all tools, and then toggle on study and learn. I will ask it to teach me chocolate chip cookies from scratch, and it will guide me one step at a time and wait for my replies. So that's GPT-5 and the latest updates to ChatGPT. If you found this video useful, give it a like, consider subscribing for more AI tips and demos, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.